Hey guys, let's talk about the Wavlink docking station not detecting monitors. As you can see, I have my laptop. This is a Dell laptop running Windows 11, and I have 3 monitors connected to the docking station, and the docking station is connected here to the computer via USB-C cable, but it's not working. So let's see step by step what you can check and check if it's fixable, right? Let me just show you that I have this device here. That's the Wavlink. Let me just change the camera here to see better. There we go. It's the Wavlink. And this one is for DisplayPort and HDMI. So I have 1 HDMI and 2 DisplayPorts. Okay. So what I can check here is that I have my monitors working with DisplayPort and HDMI. I have the first one here connected via HDMI, DisplayPort and DisplayPort. If I come here to my monitor, I can change, right? If I'm using DisplayPort or HDMI. So just make sure that you have the correct one here. For example, when I come here, I see the option for DisplayPort and HDMI. Let me just approach the camera here so you see better that I'm talking about. See here, DisplayPort and HDMI. All right, this one is for DisplayPort. The other one here also for DisplayPort, and the first one here for HDMI. Okay, and here on the device I have the connections. Let me just turn this around. You see here that I have the connections. So basically HDMI, DisplayPort and DisplayPort. So it could be different for you. I don't know if you have everything with the HDMI or everything for DisplayPort. Anyway, it's a Wavlink, as you can see here. And right now it's not working. You see the power, it's connected here. And you see the LED that's working. And also something important, just double check the power here. You see, let me just unplug here, see it, that I have this one for 20 volts. And I'm using the original power supply here for 20 volts as well, right? That's the voltage, and 6.5 amps, right? Or 130 watts. That's the power, right? So the original one is supposed to work here, and I just connect this back. And here, I just need to make sure that's on. So I just need to press here, and you see the LED that's working back there. Blue. And I can also hear a sound here on my computer that I have the cable connected. When I turn on, I just hear a sound here, which means the computer can recognize the device. Let me just come here to Device Manager, right? And then down here, you see this Universal Serial Bus. Let me just approach here. Universal Serial Bus Controller, right? You see here the generic key, super speed USB. I'm going to disconnect from here, and you're gonna see back there that it changes. Let me just show the way. You see, it's connecting the cable here. Take a look here. Just takes a while, and it changes. You see, no longer there, right? And then let me just connect this back. So we see that's working. Just connect it here. Just make sure that you turn on again here with the button. You see the blue LED here, and I hear a sound, and there we go. It's there, right? So now I know that the device has the correct power supply. Then I can turn it on. The cable is correctly connected here using USB-C, and the computer can see it, right? So right now I just have some variables that are working, and now what I'm going to do is just test the monitor and the cable. So here I'm gonna grab this HDMI cable, right? And I'm going to connect directly to the computer. So by doing that, I know for sure if the cable is working, and also if the monitor is working, right? Let me just connect the cable here. I have here the HDMI port. There we go, it's connected. And now let's just take a look there, and it's working, okay? See back there, it's working pretty fine. So monitor is good, and the connection here is also good, and the cable is good. Everything good here. Now let me just disconnect here. See, when I disconnect, it goes all the way there, right? So I have the cable here in my hands, back here to the docking station. So it looks like something related to the docking station. So everything's connected, monitor good, power supply good, cable good, USB-C good, HDMI cable good, right? Now what I have to do is just check something else, right? You have here the user menu, and you see here that I need to scan the QR code and visit the website and download a driver. So just make sure that you have the driver for your docking station, right? So here, let me just close this. And here, see that I have the Wavlink website. And here, you just need to find the model that are using right now. In this case, that's the one. You see here that I have the model here in the address. There we go. That's the same model that I have here, okay? Basically, just need to go to wavlink.com and look for the drivers. And here you can download the driver. See here, driver. And then you just go down or look for Windows, Mac, and Linux. In this case, it's a Windows, it's a Dell computer using Windows 11. So I can download from here. Okay, so download it and install it and see if it works. In my case, it's not working. I already did that. I just installed this one. It's still not working. So something else that you need to check. Is the port here the correct port for your docking station? Okay. What I mean by that, if you take a look here in the user menu, let me just find the information just right here. You see the requirements, right? System requirement. And here you see the information for the laptop with full functional USB-C port. Okay, and here you see power delivery plus DisplayPort Alt Mode plus data transfer. So the problem here is that this Alt Mode. Okay, so I don't have my laptop with this DisplayPort Alt Mode. How do I know that? You just go to the website of and look for your model. In this case, it's a Dell, and I just need to get this model or the serial number. Go to the Dell's website and check if I have a display mode on the USB-C port, which I don't. So that's the problem that I have here. It's not gonna work because it's a system requirement, right? So if you have your docking station that need this and your computer doesn't have display mode, alt mode, right? DisplayPort Alt Mode. It doesn't have it, it's not gonna work. Okay, unfortunately it's not gonna work. So what I have to do is replace your computer or replace the docking station. Okay, which one that doesn't need this alt mode. So I have one here as an example. Let me just show you this one. Okay, this is a Tobenone docking station, and this one doesn't require this alt mode. So I can just replace this one and see if it works, right? So let me just do this. And you can also use another Wavlink that doesn't need this alt mode. It depends on the model that you have. So right now, let me just remove everything from here. Just the cable, the USB-C port, and the cables here. And I'm going to connect to the new docking station here, right? So here I have the Tobenone docking station. I have here display ports, as you can see, and HDMI ports as well. So I'm going to connect here to the display port, another display port here, and HDMI number 3. Okay. I could also connect to the display port because the 3 monitors here can change between HDMI or display port, but in this case I have already the HDMI here. Let me just connect that way. Oops. Let me just double check the correct position here. HDMI goes that way. There we go. Okay. Let me just grab the cable for this one. Power supply. Back there. There we go. Connect here. And the USB-C cable. I can even use the same one. It's a regular USB-C cable. Okay, just to double check, you can use the USB-C cable that comes with your device, just to make sure that you're doing everything right. Okay, so now I have the new docking station from Tobenone, and let me just power it on. There we go. And it's connected to my computer. Okay, and it's working. Okay. So the way that I could fix is just replacing the docking station instead of replacing the computer, because it's expensive to replace the computer, right? It's cheaper to replace the docking station. Of course, depends on the computer that you have, but usually the docking station is cheaper, right? And here, let me just move here. You see that's working. See, it goes up. And I can move to different monitor here, and here. Working pretty fine with the other docking station, right? And this docking station also uses a driver. So if you come here, for example, you see the DisplayLink driver. Okay, that's for this docking station here. So just make sure that you have the driver as well. So cables are good here, everything is good, but I also need the driver. When you get this docking station, it comes with information to visit this website, right? The Synaptics website, and here you can find the drivers, and here you have driver for different OSs, including Windows. So it's working here with my Windows 11 on this Dell computer. Okay, so pretty good. Unfortunately, this Wavlink is not working with this laptop because of the display port. It's not in alt mode, right? So I hope this helps, right? You can test everything there. Perhaps you have alt mode there and something else like the cable or the power supply or the driver that's missing. Try everything there and double check if you have the alt mode back there and if your docking station requires alt mode like this Wavlink here, right? So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next video.